Skustack now lets you quickly make SKU-to-SKU transfers as you are receiving items back into your warehouse. The SKU-to-SKU transfer functionality is particularly useful for businesses that accept returns and deal with products that are no longer in their original condition. For example, if a customer returns an iPhone that they bought new but is no longer in new condition, you can create a new SKU, such as iPhone used, and transfer the returned product to that SKU. This allows you to continue to track the original product and also sell the returned product as used on platforms like eBay and Backmarket. With Skustack, you can create new SKUs on the fly using the scanner, making the process of managing returns faster and more efficient. Here's what you need to do. First, you will need to receive the items. Scroll down to the Receive RMA section and choose the Search All mode to view all your RMAs. Once you tap the RMA number, you'll be sent to the RMA details page. Tap the product, choose the bin you want the product to be put in, and type in the quantity you received. Tap the Receive and Transfer button and press Receive. Now you can immediately transfer your current SKU to another SKU. Simply tap the icon on the right and search for your current SKU. Change the search mode and type the SKU you are looking for. Then you'll need to choose the SKU you want the RMA items to be transferred to. Select the Set to Product and scan the bin where you're placing the items. Once you're done, tap the Transfer button on top. Another option is to create a new product for the RMA you've just received. Open your chosen RMA. Tap the item for more details. Choose the bin you want the products to be moved to, and type the quantity you received. Tap the Receive and Transfer button and press Receive. From here, you can create a separate SKU for your returned products. Tap on the To icon on the right and choose the Create New Product option. Fill in the necessary information and create your new product. Scan the bin where you're placing the items and tap Select. Tap the Transfer button on top, and you're good to go.